Hello and welcome to tonight's video. Now, I'm back here at Hebburn metro station tonight, and it's still raining a little bit, not much. I'm actually out from under the roof this time at the minute, but I can see there's a bit of water on my screen here, a few, what do you call it, like splashes of water off the rain. But basically, tonight I'm planning to go into the entrance. It's like a long slope in the tunnel that leads down to this platform, which is platform 1. Now, last night when I came in, the light in the tunnel bit that goes down the ramp to the platform, the lights were all on inside the tunnel bit. But when I was leaving, I noticed the lights had gone off. So I thought, oh, that's interesting. I thought they kept them on all night, but they must go off at a certain time. They must be on a timer. So I think they went off at about between 22 and quarter to 4. So I'm going to go into the tunnel in a minute, but I'm going to have a look down this end of the platform before the rain gets heavier again, which it probably will. Knowing my luck, it's starting to get a bit heavy now. Because my camera can withstand a little bit of water and my lights, but not if it's a torrential downpour. So we'll see. So let's get on with the investigation. I'll be starting the spirit box up again when I go in the tunnel. Probably not on this bit. I might not do it on this bit, I'll do it in the tunnel. So let's get started then. Okay, so just over this fence, as you can see, the rain is picking up a bit, but we'll just quickly have a look over here. So this is over the fence from the platform. There's a big empty space here with just waste ground, I think, and lots of weeds. And then there's a wall or a fence over there, some tall trees next to it, and houses beyond that. I wonder if they're going to put some more rail tracks down here at some point, or build some more buildings or factories here or something. Anyone know? But I don't want to get the camera too wet. But there's a really good view shot here. It looks really good. There's like a red traffic light on. I'll switch the night vision off so you can see what I mean. Because you can't see it on the night vision, obviously. Up sugar. So there you go. Look at that red light reflecting off the wet ground. It looks very mysterious and spooky, doesn't it? Yes, it does. So the red light is on because the trains are obviously off at the minute. And they don't start up again until maybe, I don't know, between 5 and 6 AM. I'm not 100% sure, somewhere around that time, I think. So anyway, without further ado, I guess we're going to head now into the tunnel. So to do that, we'll have to go across this platform here again. And we'll see what it's like in there. And I'm not sure when it's supposed to stop raining or start. I got mixed up. I think it said it was supposed to start at 2 AM, the rain. But it's now nearly 4 AM. So we're just going to go in here first and have a little look in here. The lights are still on in this bit. But the tunnel ahead, just up there, hang on, got my microphone cable wrapped around my arm. The tunnel's just through that door ahead over here. As many of you will probably already know if you live in Hebburn or Jarrow. What I've noticed while I was here last night is I can't see any security cameras. They must be hidden or something. Maybe there's one inside this post here. This yellow thing on a stand. And here, over here is a help point. And we've got lots of information on the walls, of course. And the infamous map of the metro system here. Haven't been on the metro for years, to be honest with you. Or the bus. I just use my bike now. I can't go that far, obviously, all these places on here. On the bike. Or on foot. And in here we have some metro newspapers, which are full of the usual, propaganda and whatever. So I won't be taking one of those. something on the front there about, in a place of no hope, there is always hope. Well, that made sense now, didn't it? In a place of no hope, there's always hope. Yeah. What the hell? I just noticed my microphone cable's in a slight knot, but it still should work okay. And over here we have the infamous Metro ticket machines, which are a bit different to how they used to look back in the day. You now use your debit card on them and stuff. Probably a few other things. Right then, we're going to head into this tunnel now, which is very dark. But in order to go in, we're going to switch the night vision on, so we can see what we're looking at and where we're going, hopefully. That's what we'll do. Switch it on right. On. Now. Whoop, what the hell am there? Something went wrong. The rain is dripping on the roof. I've just realised something. And you can see a red traffic light for the trains through there, but you kind of see it on night vision, because the red doesn't show up on the night vision, obviously. I haven't got the spirit box switched on. See if I can do it. Hang on. Without my microphone falling off. And there's dripping noises from the bloody rain on the roof or something. That's all we need. Alright. Zip back up. Zippity doo dah, zippity ay. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Sorry about that, I'm just keeping myself amused while I switch my phone on here. And what have you. This tunnel's quite long actually. It's longer than the subway up at Bilkey, I'll tell you that much. That is for sure. And this one goes uphill. The subway at Bilkey is just on the level, it's on the flat. You know, so see if I can get this on with one hand. Oh shit, there's a notification problem. That's it. I don't know if it'll connect. Hang on, I'll put my speaker on. The speaker is now on. Right. Oh shit, it wasn't dripping. It sounds like someone's tap dancing on the roof. Well, it's connected anyway. Alright, okay, I'm about to start the spirit box right now, so here we go. Oh. Let me back down a bit. Nobody can come in from the bottom, I don't think. Let's see. Hello, is anyone here in this tunnel? Is anyone here in the tunnel? As some of you may know, I was here last night. Right? Do you remember? I'm just going to leave my bike there for a minute. Go a bit further up here. It's pitch black in here, by the way. You can't see a thing. I mean, I can see some street lights out the windows, I thought this didn't have glass in. Oh, it doesn't. I thought there was glass. First I thought there wasn't, then I thought there was. And it turns out there isn't any glass. Okay, is there anyone friendly here right now? Is there anyone friendly here right now? In this tunnel? I still don't know who I'm speaking to. Anyone care to say the full name for us, please? Did somebody just say pardon? Would anyone like to say hello if you're here? We need to get some names tonight. Would you be kind enough to tell us your name, your full name, anyone that's here, if you would like to speak? I've got a question for you, another question. Is there anybody here who is hostile? Is there anybody here who's hostile? You know what hostile means, don't you? I'm just making my way up the tunnel now. It's up a bank, like I say. It's up a fairly steep bank. Is there anybody here that can see me? Is it possible you can speak up as loud as possible next to the camera? Please. Actually, not next to the camera, next to me. If you would like to communicate properly, whoever's here, can you please shout as loud as you can your full name, first and second name? Could you do that, please? Would you? Please? 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 Please give us your full name, first and second name. Still didn't hear any, but We'll keep trying. Right. I'd like to know who's stalking us, who's following us everywhere I go. What's your names? Was there anybody with me in my house tonight before I left that's here now? Did somebody just say, for God's sake? Can you try and speak loud and clear, please, so I can understand what you're saying? That'll help. If possible. Is there, once again, is there anybody here who was just in my house with me tonight? Can anybody see anybody next to me who's doing things they shouldn't be doing? I said, can any of you see anybody next to me doing some bad things that they shouldn't be doing? Can anyone see anyone doing bad things to me right now? I don't know, like. I thought I heard probably, but I need a more concrete answer. Can someone give us a concrete, definite answer? Can you see anyone doing things to me right now who shouldn't be doing things like that? Who is it? Who's doing it? Who's doing things to me? Does anyone know? If you can see anyone doing things to me right now, anyone, can you tell me their names, or if they're male or female? Are there any females here right now? Any girls here? If you are female, can you tell us your name and your age, please, by any chance? Do you all know each other? Do you all know each other, the ones that's here right now with me? Oh, I've just realised I got the wrong light on. Got the wrong freaking light on. I had the wrong light on there, like. Oops. I must be fully awake. Oh well, you can still see. I was wasting my other light. I had my light on that was pointing that way instead of this way. Is the girl here last night who I was asking about if you had any pets? I heard you say you had a puppy. Who was the girl that said she had a puppy as a pet last night? Keep going. Why don't you keep going? You can keep going as well. Oi, mate. Yeah, mate. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, mate. Right, is the lady here last night who said she had a pet puppy? Are you here tonight? Who's the girl? What's your name that had a puppy as a pet? What's your name? Is there anybody here called Kerry? Hello? Kerry, are you here tonight? Is Kerry, who I spoke to outside Hebburn Cemetery, are you here tonight? How do you know the guy that said no? How do you know she's not here? Can you see that she's not here? 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 Well, I'm trying to get some sort of a conversation going here. It feels like I'm back on Facebook chat groups, to be honest. Getting nowhere in a long time type of thing. Anyway. What? Did somebody just mention a video nasty there? You haven't been watching any video nasties, have you? Unless you're on about cheese pasties. Well, you're on about cheese pasties. There's a guy on YouTube he calls pasties video nasties. Do you know him? If I said the words, "Oh, matron," do you know who I'm talking about on YouTube? Anyone? What's the name of the guy I watch on YouTube that goes, "Oh, matron," and the glove of self-love? What's his name? I'll give you a clue. He drinks lots of alcohol in a tent. Do you know his name? We're near on the top of the tunnel here on the main road now. Right. Somebody keeps saying video. Is that someone Spanish or English? Hang on. Right, we're going on to the main road. The main road now, briefly. Very briefly. I think it's going to be briefly anyway, because it's raining. Is it raining? And here is the infamous Metro logo, stroke sign on a post. Right, does anyone know exactly where we are right now? This here? Oh no, the lights have come back on. What the hell's going on? I don't believe this. Hang on a second. The bloody lights have come on in the tunnel. Look at this. Why the hell the lights come back on? Does anyone know? Why? Why has the lights come back on? Well, that's great, that is. Must be watching on a camera or something. They must be having a better look. putting the lights on so I can see better. I don't know. Anyway, we'll put the night vision back on. Alright. So we're on the main road. Is there anybody here on the road? Hello? Is there anybody here on this road? On the bridge? All the red lights are on all the way down the road there. I'll turn my light off again so you can have a look, see if you can see them. Oops. That's what it looks like without the night vision up here. But we'll put it back on again. Right, if this has gone a bit pear-shaped. I never expected the lights to come back on in the tunnel, like. I never expected that. Something fishy's going on. But we're going to go back in the tunnel with the lights on, so we'll have to lose the night vision. Well, I'm still not sure who's with me here. What the hell's happened to that? Oh, Jesus. What the hell's happened to that? Yeah. It's whited out. What the hell's happening? Let's turn the night vision on. Let's leave it at that. I got white out on my extra night vision light when I switched it on there. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I think I know where it is. It's something to do with a button down here. That's it. That's probably where it was. Okay. How come nobody's saying much tonight? Well, we'll go back in the tunnel for a bit. How long have we been? 25 minutes. So does anyone know why they switched the lights back on in this tunnel? What? 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 Why? Who said I? Who just said I when I asked about the lights? 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 Who's me? What's your name? The person that just said I about the lights going back on. What's your name? Can you tell us your name, please? This is not your bottle of chocolate milk down here by any chance, is it? You might have left it there earlier, I don't know. Okay, so why have the lights come back on in the tunnel? Can you tell us? Is it because the security are watching us on the cameras or something? I'll tell you what. We're going to go back in the tunnel, but I have to turn the night vision off. Right, as you can see, I'm back in the tunnel, and the lights are fully back on. I didn't expect that at all. Why is the lights come back on? That's weird. They must be watching us in the control room or something. Must have hidden cameras or something. I don't know. Unless the timer's on the fritz for the lights. I'm not sure. Well, I'm going to have to be heading home soon. If nobody else wants to talk, I'll have to be getting back, you know what I'm saying? Is there anybody here that has watched the TV show called Ghost Hunters before? Any of yous? Yup, yous? Yup, yous? Yup, yous? Yup, yous? Yup, you haven't seen Ghost Hunters? With Jason Hawes and Steve Gonzalez and all them. Dave Tango. Do Do any of you believe that you're still alive? Do any of you believe that you're still alive right now? What was that? Sorry? Can you say that again? I'm a bit confused by this with the lights coming back on. That's threw me train of thought off. I wasn't expecting that because I was hoping it was once the lights went out they would stay out. You know what I mean? But they haven't. Hello? Are you all from Jarrow or Hebburn? Where are you from then? Where? Why? Because I want to know. I'm trying to make a conversation go here. Get a conversation going type of thing, you know? Right. Are you from Gateshead? Is anyone from Gateshead? Head. Which school did you used to go to? Which school did you used to go to, anyone? Anyone from Springfield Comprehensive School? Maybe. Why do you always say maybe instead of answering the question? Is anyone here that used to watch Auf Wiedersehen, Pet? It doesn't look like there's any women here tonight. Where they're all gone? Yes, it's a video. It's a video camera. Do you know what a video camera is? The person that said video, do you know what a video camera is? A camcorder. Now I'm going to try my other question again. Listen very carefully. I'm going to say this only once, okay? Listen carefully. You got your ears open? Are you listening? Are you listening carefully? Somebody, can you go around the back of us, behind us, and tell us if you see anything or anyone on me back? Can you please go around behind us and see if there's anyone behind us that's doing stuff? Why are you buzzing? Can you tell us why you're buzzing? Eh? What? What did you say? Hello? Pardon? Who's buzzing tonight? The person that says they're buzzing. If you give us your name, you win 50 quid. It was worth a try. I don't think he believes us. Me? Who said me? Who's me though? What, have you got a name? I keep saying who did this and that and the other, and they always go me, but I don't know who me is. What is the name of the person that just said me? Macy. Philip. Did you say Philip? What was that? 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 Is that me? I just heard a voice down here, but was that echo or not? I haven't heard any echoes while I've been here, but it sounded like a voice came from down here. Unless the security coming out of that little hidey place, I don't know. Oh. Probably in like a little mouse hole for security men that come out from a little porthole or something, like a little hatch. I don't know. Because there's a little door down there, you know. There's a little door down there. I bet you there's security guys in there. You may come out. Hello? Hello, who's that? Please. 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 Who? Can you please address yourself by saying your name? What? Does anyone here like Weetabix? Anyone like Weetabix? Or do you prefer Shreddies? Shreddies or Weetabix? Which is it? What about Sugar Puffs? Do you like Sugar Puffs? And I must point out when I'm asking if you like Sugar Puffs, I don't mean, I'm not referring to your sexuality. Just to clear that one up, just in case I confused you there or anything. Is there anybody here that likes to hang out in other people's houses and watch the television? You! So whose house do you go to most often to watch the television? What's the names? Names. 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 Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell us the name of the street where this house is, where you go to watch people's television and stuff? Maybe. He keeps saying maybe, what the hell? He's trying to drive us bonkers. Do any of you ever sneak into cinemas? Hang on a minute, don't all speak at once. Do any of you ever sneak into cinemas to watch a movie for free? You do? Which cinema do you usually sneak into, and what was the last film you went to see? Oh, the camera's right at the bottom here. The watching's on the camera. That's where it is. I may as well give them a wave. Hello. Anyway, I've spotted the camera, by the way. It's at the bottom of the tunnel here. I couldn't see it in the dark before. It mustn't have night vision because they've switched the lights on so they can see what I'm doing, I think. I'll just show you. Yeah, just above the door there's a security camera. It's the first one I've seen in here, actually. Who was that? You came through rather clear there. Is there any ex-Metro security men here? Any? Hang on. Whoa, hang on a minute. Kerry, was that you just said hello, Barry?
On video.
Yes, it's on video. You're on video as well. Your voice is. Who was the person that just said hello, hello, Barry? You're talking to Barry. Who's Barry? Are you talking about Barry Manilow? He's not here tonight. Oh. To the lady that said hello, Barry. I've heard you say this before. I'm not called Barry. Which Barry are you referring to? I might be to find him for you. Is it Barry Scorer? Or maybe Barry Sheen? I heard he used to ride a motorbike, him, like. He's pretty good at it, apparently. Is the girl here that just said hello, Barry? Are you still here? Pardon? Right, I'm going to go back up to the top of the tunnel and then I'm going to wrap up the video, I think. So if anyone would like to tell us a story about anything or anything, fire away. Have you got any hobbies? Hey, don't be talking about cats in that fashion. It's not very nice. I'm keeping going up the bank. And my nose is running. I've got like a Niagara Falls situation going on here. Bloody hell, man. Hang on a minute. Get on with what? What do you mean, get on with it? What are you telling us to get on with? I'm trying to wipe me nose. It's bloody cold tonight, you know. It makes your nose run like a tap. So, who just said get on with it? Right. Right. Are you telling us to get on with finishing the videos that you want us to leave? Is that where it is? You what, sorry? You're British, did you say? Did you say you were British? Is there anyone here from Luke's Lane estate? Anyone here from Luke's Lane estate in Hebburn? So we're back at the metro sign here again. Right. You can hear us, did you say? Does anyone know who Ron Jeremy is? Once again, does anyone know who Ron Jeremy is? I don't think they do. Let's think a minute. Anyone know who Noel Edmonds is? Pardon? Get on with what? So, we've got a new catchphrase tonight, ladies and gentlemen. It's called, get on with it. Just get on with it now, won't you? Just get on with it. I'll get on with it if I know what it was you were telling us to get on with. Then I'll get on with it if you could tell us what it was. That would help. Do you not think? Give us a clue. Can you give us a clue? You never know what. You never know what. Here. I've got a good question for you. Can you tell me Arnold Schwarzenegger's catchphrase in the Terminator movies? What was it? What was Arnold Schwarzenegger's catchphrase in the Terminator films? Does anyone know? It wasn't "ooh ya bugger," if that's what you said. Although I heard he did say that a few times when he fell off his motorbike. He was like, "ooh ya bugger." Well, I'm going to tell you the answer to that question. Arnold Schwarzenegger's catchphrase in the Terminator movies was, "I'll be back." But when it comes to me in this metro station, it might be a case of, I won't be back. But it might be, I don't know yet. Right. It's time to say night-night and bye-bye, everybody. Yes, it is, but thank you very much for talking to me tonight. I really appreciate it. Okay? Did you enjoy our little chat tonight, anyone? I'm saying, did anyone enjoy our little chat tonight? Anyone? Did somebody just say better look next time? Why is that over blown again? Blown again? Blown again? Blown again? Blown again? You did! Well, thanks very much for that. Thanks very much for telling us. I really appreciate it. Why is it reaching out? I think I might turn that off or down a bit. By the way, the guy that just says better luck next time, who are you? Are you from Hebburn? You live in Newcastle, did you say? And can you please tell us your name? The guy that says better luck next time. What's your name? The guy that just said better luck next time. What's your name, please? What's your name, please? Is your name Joe? Is your name Joe? You doubt it? I doubt it as well. Is your name Billy Bob Thornton? Pardon? So So what's your name? Is it Jimmy? Maybe. Oh well, if you don't want to tell us, you don't have to. I'll leave it up to you. Oops, I'm touching my microphone. Anyway, I'm going to switch the spirit box off tonight. Now. I'm going to switch it off now, okay? So I'll speak to you next time, right, okay? I'll speak to you next time. Oops. Okay then. I'm afraid that's the end of tonight's video. Now, I think I got a few bits and pieces there. Somebody at the last minute said the infamous, I can't talk properly, I'm that tired. He said the infamous immortal words, better luck next time. I heard him say that at the bus stop outside of Hebburn Cemetery the other night as well. He wouldn't tell us his name, he doesn't have to, of course. I just was interested to know his name so I can find out who he is or was, you know what I'm saying? But maybe one day he might tell us his name if he feels like it. I don't know. We can always try another time, you know what I mean? Because he seems to be always around somewhere. And when I says, did you just say better luck next time? I'm pretty sure I heard him say, yeah, I did. Yes. I heard somebody say hello Barry again, but I don't know. I thought that might have been Kerry. A woman called Kerry. But I'm not sure yet. I'll have to do some more experimenting and investigating to find out. I'll try to find out at least. You know what I'm saying, like. Anyway, I think this video's gone on a bit longer than I intended. Because I got a few more things coming through at the last minute there. You get these odd moments where nothing seems to be coming through that's making much sense. And then all of a sudden you get the odd reply or slogan coming through again, you know. I'm still confused. Start again. I'm still confused about this keep going thing. Is it possible it could come from a Spanish radio station? I mean, it appears that whoever's saying it seems to have a Geordie twang, so I would very much doubt it, but why can he not say anything other than keep going? That's what's making us think, is it some sort of, something coming through a radio station or something? But like I say, this spirit box thing I'm using only has Spanish radio stations on it, and they're in reverse, so everything everyone says on those stations is backwards. So anything that comes through forwards and in English, like I've said before, how can that be from a radio station? Unless there's anybody watching with some knowledge of like radios and CB radios and all them types of gadgets and technology. Maybe you could shed some light on this. But don't try and tell us that everything I'm picking up is just radio interference, because I know it isn't. Because they've said my name several times and a few other things. Somebody called us ugly last night. That was nice of them. I don't mind, like. It's fine, you know. Everyone's got their opinion. Can it be everybody's taste, can I now? Let's face it. Right, anyway. So if you did enjoy any of tonight's weird video, because the security went and put the lights on us in there, they must be sitting in a little security room down at the bottom of the tunnel there. There's a little black door. I think they must be in there and they've put the lights on to try and scare us away. Well, it nearly worked because I didn't want to do it with the lights on because I prefer to use the night vision. But it wouldn't have scared us away because I thought I was being watched by the security, because that's not going to scare us. Why would it? I mean, if they're too scared to come out and have a word with us, why would I be scared of them? You know what I'm saying? Anyway. So thanks very much for watching tonight's video. Let us know if you heard any words, sentences, or anything that I may have missed or anything. Or any of the things that I did here. Let us know if you heard them as well. And I'd be very grateful for that. So don't forget to give us a little like if you did enjoy any of this video here tonight. And if you like, you can subscribe. And you will get notifications if you hit that bell and the all thing at the top on the bell settings. You'll get a notification for every video I upload. Way! Be like Christmas Day every day. Well, not really. Just kidding. But you know what I mean. So thanks very much. I'm going to head off now in the rain once again. It's only slightly raining at the minute, but it could pick up on the way back. You never know. So thanks very much, everyone. And I'll see you on the next video. So, tatty bye now. See you later. Ta-ra. Good night.